20. festival Ocarina je s čudovitim koncertom zaključila Nataša Atlas, egipčansko-angleška glasbenica, ki je znana po prepletanju orientalske in zahodne glasbe.
I like to explore. I think an artist's duty is to be open to all kinds of music and to explore as many different facets of music as possible.
Po eni strani glasba Nataše Atlas pomirja, po drugi pa poslušalca vznemiri in ga spodbudi k razmišljanju.
I want them to have a good time, you know. And yes, some of our songs, some of our pieces are very meditational, you know, because I'm getting into that now, because I feel the world is getting more and more in turmoil. So I look to music that makes me feel calm. But I like music that excites me too, you know, but it's nice to have a balance.
Pevka in trebušna plesalka se je v svoji večdesetletni karieri preizkusila v različnih glasbenih žanrih. Trenutno pa je povsem predana jazzu.
I've been through lots of different genres of music. You know, I actually started off in hip-hop and electronic back in 1990. And it's a long time ago. But I've been through lots of different phases of music. You know, I've done a little bit of classical, a bit of traditional music, you know, traditional Arabic music. I've been through all kinds of music because for me it's all been a learning experience. And then I met jazz musicians who became my band in 2006, 2007. And this was another learning experience for me because jazz is a deep music. It's got a lot of complex harmonic jazz changes, you know, musical changes that are, you know, to fuse Arabic music with. It's a challenge.
Na njeno glasbeno ustvarjanje močno vplivajo tudi nenehne selitve, ki jih je izkusila že v otroštvu, sedaj pa se nadaljujejo v obliki glasbenih turnej.
I've lived in Egypt because my origins from my father's side are Egyptian. My mother's side were English, so I've lived in England. I've lived in Greece. I've kind of stayed in America quite a lot of times. I've traveled the world. I think there's a lot of musicians like me who are like slightly nomadic. We travel the world because that's how we get to play music to people. And sometimes we stay a little bit longer to explore what's there, to see what the mentality is like, to try and exchange things. And this in turn gives you inspiration.
Potovanja, spoznavanje novih kultur, ljudi in njihovih zgodb jo inspirira. Navdih za ustvarjanje išče tudi v povsem majhnih stvareh.
From the land, from the people, from the way that they talk about things, from a lot of different things really. Sometimes just from the food, sometimes from the drink.
Tudi Bled jo je navdihnil in zaupala nam je, da se bo sem zagotovo še vrnila.
For me this was a real blessing. This festival is a blessing, and it's in a place called Bled, and Bled is the name. Bled in Arabic means homeland. It's an Arabic word, in fact, Bled. You know, so I was interested. I was like, this place is called Bled? No, really? Bled? Homeland, Arabic word, you know. So I was curious.
Skupaj z bendom so na odru pripravili prav posebno presenečenje. V čast očetu festivala Leo Ličefu so zaigrali na Ocarino. Poslušalcev jih je po koncu koncerta nagradila z velikim aplavzom. Obiskovalci so bili po izjavah sodeč nad slišanim navdušeni.
Eden boljših. Lih to sva se prej s kolegom zgovarjala, da v bistvu zmeraj je bila čudovita glasba, bil sem res skoraj vsak večer, ampak niso se pa vsi približali temu, kar bi jaz imenoval etno. To je bil pa res en tak, ki je izpolnil vsa moja pričakovanja in nasplošno glasbena in ta etno komponenta, da res slišiš nekaj, kar ponavadi ne.
Natašo Atlas je treba videti, zato ker sem tudi učiteljica orientalskega plesa, pa je bilo toliko koreografij že narejenih na njene komade, tako da je bilo treba priti.
Kako je bilo?
Super. Fajn je bilo zaradi tega, ker je bilo jazzy, ker meni se zdi, da so ti arabski vokali so me vedno spominjali na jazz, zaradi tega, ker so toliko polni, toliko bogati. Je bilo pa zanimivo Natašo slišati v živo, zaradi tega, ker sem imela včasih občutek, ko so samo inštrumenti igrali, kot da slišim njen glas, pa ga ni bilo. Tako se mi zdi, da ima poven pa nek svojstven glas, da je tako, kot da bi inštrument pel pravzaprav.
Okarinino glasbeno dogajanje je letos preseglo vsa pričakovanja, zato vsi skupaj že nestrpno pričakujemo, kaj nam organizatorji pripravljajo za naslednje leto.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.